Hey, what's up? We continue our review of Cubot X19, and today I want to talk about performance. Have you already watched our unboxing video of Cubot X19? If not, then the link is in description. Cubot X19 is a budget smartphone with standard chipset as for Chinese smartphones. In this video we will check benchmark results and play heavy games. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Cubot X19 is powered by Helio P23 chipset or MediaTek MT6763T. This is quad-core chipset with 2.5 GHz clock speed. In fact, every second Chinese phone has this processor. This smartphone comes with single version with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. You can use microSD memory card instead of second SIM. Cubot X19 shows very good results in benchmarks. For example, it scores about 92,000 points in AnTuTu. Very good for $120 smartphone. If you are interested in GeekBench 4, there is 953 points in single-core test and 3923 points in multi-core test. We used 3D Mark benchmark for the test of graphics. Here is 724 overall score in slingshot test. Cubot X19 supports GPS and GLONASS, and it has about 3 meters accuracy. Also, it is equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi, and the speed is quite good. The reading and writing speed of internal memory you can see on your screen. We have selected 3 popular games for the gaming test of Cubot X19. Most likely you already played all of them. The first game is called PUBG Mobile, and today it is the most popular game on Android. Before we start playing, let's check the maximum graphics. It is HD, but I advise you to play on low graphics, since the game has delays when shooting. Yes, you can play PUBG Mobile on Cubot X19, but it is not as smooth as we would like. Sometimes there is skipped frames and lag. The next game is Shadowgun Legends, and it has the same problems as PUBG Mobile. In general, it is playable, but the graphics is pretty weak. Also, you may notice small lags during the shooting. And the last game for today is Shadow Fight 3. This is one of the popular fighting games, but it is also not easy. In this game, there is a long loading time, but I don't notice any delays or problems. It is very convenient to play. So it was performance test of Cubot X19. First of all, this is budget smartphone for only $120. In our testing, the smartphone showed good results in benchmarks. It runs on stock Android and user interface is very smooth. As for the games, if you don't need high graphics and smooth performance, you can run any games on Cubot X19. It is suitable for easy games without use of 3D elements in graphics. But if you want to play PUBG Mobile, then you will succeed in this too, but with small frame drops. Thanks for watching. In the description I will leave the link where to buy a smartphone cheaper. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.